In this first video in English, I want to share with you some basic drum patterns for beginners. Hi, I'm Ale Brukman, and in this video I will present you 3 easy drum patterns for rock, pop and other genres. Before we start, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. Okay, this first pattern would be for up-tempo songs, and we will start with the following count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, over this count, we will play the hi-hat on every number, and it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the bass drum, and it will play on the numbers 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the snare drum, and it will play on numbers 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try to combine these instruments together. We will start with the hi-hat and the bass drum. Let's see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. Now let's try the hi-hat and the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on. Let's try now the bass drum against the snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's try to put all this together and see how the pattern really sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's bring the pattern up to a fast speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.